What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be prepping our Degas bottle for install into Josh's truck, the tow build on the channel. Let me rephrase that, the 6.0 Powerstroke tow build on the channel, since now we do have the 6.7 tow build. Anyway, super nice piece. Huge shout out to Diesel Rhino Products, or excuse me, I completely just botched his name, Rhino Diesel Products. He got his start making these bottles for 7.3s, and we worked together to design this one for the 6.0 Powerstroke. But first, if you guys like seeing diesel content, specifically Powerstroke, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content. Drop your comments down below, guys. What do you think of the Rhino Diesel Products Degas bottle for the 6.0 Powerstroke? Okay, first, to get ready, you're going to need to have a wrench, or a ratchet, or a wrench. I have a 15/16 socket for the glass piece here. I should see what size I need for this guy. That just needs a hex key, and then I'll need a socket for this guy. So a few small tools involved, nothing too major, and some Teflon tape. Now first, since we're ready, we're going to start with getting right here lined up. So first things first we're going to do the sight glass here, check coolant level. So he has a nice piece here, and basically all we're going to do, we're going to take Teflon tape. Now when you're applying Teflon tape, you want to make sure you're using it so as you screw in that it's not going against how you just rolled it. So since we're screwing it in clockwise, we want the end tail to be pushing counterclockwise. So to do that, you're going to take a look at this piece, and you're going to do tape counterclockwise as you're looking at the piece you're about to do, and that'll make sure you're not doing that. Obviously, if you had reverse threads, it would be the exact opposite. So I start at the back half of this, and that kind of allows me to get rid of any imperfections and just make this look nice as I go. And then I go down a little. And in my opinion, I've had the best luck with Teflon tape when if I don't try to do multiple layers, just maybe one, maybe a little more than one, but no more than two layers of it. Anytime I've tried more than that, I just haven't had good luck. Either the fitting didn't work, fit in there right, or anything like that. So we're going to start this by hand. Alright, and now we're going to finish it off. Trying to be very careful not to mess up my powder coat here. Looks really sharp, and I want it to continue to look sharp. Alright, and there is our sight glass in there. I'll try to show you guys, so it's not quite flush, but it is pretty far in there. I do need to verify with him how he does them, if he makes them flush or not. It's not like super difficult to keep going, but I just want to make sure. I mean, if something leaks through there, it's a heck of a leak. I mean, it seems pretty sturdy. Okay, I changed my mind. I tightened it down a little bit more. Oh, it's pretty darn tight. I don't see that giving us any leaks there. So we're going to flip to the other side. So now this is the barb that's welded in, because this one you always pretty much need to run to the front. Now if you did have a setup you didn't want that on, you could either cap it, which is common with how people do it on the trucks now, or you could always just request one without that in. I'm sure he would remove that if somebody requested it. You know, I didn't ask him, but this definitely seems to be pipe fitting here, which I think is a nice feature, because pipe fitting is going to seal better. Than just regular straight fitting. So I think that's a nice touch. Anyway, so we're at the last piece here to get ready. Alright, so we have that all prepped. Heading on here. Alright, this guy is an 11 millimeter. And that is in there nice and tight. And that is all you need to do to get your container ready. So we got the sight glass there, those two fittings. Now if you wanted to run another fitting here, you have another barb, or you can block it off like we have here. Your choice, whatever works for you and your setup. Now again, the ones of these you guys are going to be getting, we'll have a 5/8 fitting on here, so you can do your coolant reroutes right into your degas bottle. No splicing into other hoses on the system, just right into here, or you can block it off. Or if you wanted to, like Josh for instance, could run the factory hose here and a coolant a coolant filter into here. So whatever, lots of options here with this degas bottle. That's one of the things that makes this super nice, and one of the things that when Rhino Diesel Products and I started talking was one of our goals that we had for this, was to make it super customizable to your setup. Alright YouTube, that is all you have to do to get your product ready to install on your truck. Installation video coming very soon. As for this product, if you have more questions about it, check out the first comment down below. It will have a link to the video I did going over everything, all the features of this, and why we feel you should buy this specific aftermarket degas bottle if you're looking for a metal one. Head down to the descriptions where you'll find a link to the Instagram for Rhino Diesel Products. That is the easiest and best way to get a hold of him if you want one of his degas bottles for your 6.0 Powerstroke. Stay tuned guys for the installation video for this. This is going to be a playlist all about this product here. Go check that out guys. As always, if you want more Powerstroke content, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell for all the notifications on the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop your comments down below, guys. I'll see you next time. And oddly enough, it actually seems to work better when it's raining out. I don't really know why that is. So I'm going to get the camera set up here and take you through what we're doing. I want to apologize about the wind. I do have something on the microphone trying to block as much of it out, and I kind of have you guys turned away from it. I don't know how well that's working, but I am trying. So we have 8 T30 bolts that hold this plastic piece on. This does have the step in it, if I can get it out. This does have the step and the handle here. So it doesn't look like either of them need to be out to get this off. So we're going to start getting these bolts out.